Hi everyone, in this video we'll be going over the mild and the spicy solution. So let's start going. So let's start off by rewriting this first expression here. So I can rewrite this as x to the 4 over 4. And when that simplifies, well, we know 4 divided by 4 is 1. So that becomes x to the first, or I can just leave my answer as x. Okay, on the next one, we can rewrite this as x to the power of 3 over 6. Now, 3 over 6 simplifies to 1/2, so we can simplify that. Or we can also express x to the power of 1/2 as the square root of x. So these two would be equivalent rewritten simplified solutions for the original problem. Okay, and then for the last one, we've got x to the 12 over 4. Well, 12 divided by 4 simplifies to 3, so we've really got x cubed. And so these are the equivalent expressions for the original problems. Let's go ahead and try these next ones. Okay, so let's start off by rewriting the first one. So we've got a, and that's going to be a to the power of negative 10 over 5. We can simplify this. Negative 10 divided by 5 is negative 2. So this becomes a to the negative 2. If we wanted to get rid of that negative exponent, we can write this as 1 over a squared, or we can also write this as 1 over a squared. So these are all appropriate equivalent simplified expressions. Okay, now for that middle one, we're going to start off by rewriting this as 8y to the 6 to the power of 1/3. So now that we've done that, let's rewrite this middle part here. So we're going to write this middle base so that it's got an exponent of 3. So what we're going to do is I'm going to open up another set of parentheses, actually. And we want this written so that it's got a power of 3. So I know that 2 times 2 times 2 is going to give me 8. So I'm going to put 2 here. And then y squared to the third is going to give me y to the 6th. So what I've really done is everything in yellow that I'm highlighting right now is equivalent to each other. So I've rewritten my base. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring along that 1/3. Now everything is exactly the same, and I can put that equal sign in between. I've got two equivalent expressions. The nice thing about doing it this way is that now I can do power to, or I can multiply my power to a power. So I've got 3 times 1/3 over here. So those reduce to 1, and so my final answer is going to be 2y squared. Okay, now let's do something similar for that bottom one. So we're going to start off by rewriting this as 16x to the 4th, y to the 20th, to the power of 1/4. Now, again, what we want to do is we want to rewrite our base. And our base is everything inside of parentheses. And we want to rewrite everything in here so that it's being raised to a power of 4 so that it'll reduce with the 1/4. So I'm going to open up another set of parentheses. I know 2 to the 4th power is going to give me 16, so I'm going to put 2 here. X to the 4th is going to give me that x to the 4th there. And then 20 divided by 4 is 5, so I'm going to write y to the 5th. Now I'm going to raise this whole base to the power of 4. And now that base that I've originally highlighted in yellow is equivalent with the base that I've just highlighted. I'm going to put another set of parentheses in and bring that 1/4 along. And now these are equivalent expressions. Okay, I've got that power to a power, so I can reduce that 4 times 1/4. And our final answer is going to be 2xy to the 5th. Thanks for watching. Let's go ahead and try the hot problems.